na riu tukirongoreria riboti ingi igie uthuthuria kana maumerera ma uthuthuria ma gikundi kia Tifa na ni ati ruhonge kiube ruria rutabanagia uthuthuria rwa Tifa nirukirekereirie maumerera ma mawoni ma akenya nene iguru ria uria bururi kana kuria bururi ukiroretio na makiria wathaniini thirikari ya Kenya kwanza gicuje kia 56 hari igana makiuga ati bururi urorete njira njuru gitumi ari kwambatira kana kumana kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturere no ukiri uguo riboti ino yugite ati kana ikionanitie minister wa iganda na orondumwe na uigithia guku bururi-ini niwe Moses Kuria niwe ugikoretwo kana atagikoretwo agikinyaniria utungata wake na njira njega nayo riboti ino bado ikionania ati minister wa ugitiri wa thiini niwe Professor Kithure Kindiki agitongoria hari utungata kuri muingi na gicuje kia 34 hari igana.
We're talking about the direction that Kenya is heading. This is a question that is asked standard across Kenya, even in other countries like South Africa, Uganda. This is a question that is used to assess whether Kenyans think direction. Of Kenyans. So they appreciate the leadership of Kenya Kwanza and President Ruto, that's 24% mentioned. And they also say that the economy in the wrong direction because of the high cost of living. And this is basically talking about the economy. Let's look at the main failures of is the reason why, or one of the things that they count as the failures of the Kenya Kwanza government.
Nao ameba a ruriri rwa ogie